Yeah, sorry, the camera almost fell. Anyway, somebody in my comments asked me for a makeup tutorial on my eyes, on how I do it, so I'm going to be showing you how I pretty much do my eyes. These are all the products I use, and this almost fell. And I'm going to, like, try to tell you what products they are as I do my makeup. Okay, first up is this highlighter stick that I stole from my sister. It's probably from Temu or something. This is a magenta eyeshadow stick that I got from Amazon. So yeah, I'll show you how to apply them. Okay, basically you want to apply the highlighter to 1/3 of your eye. I have like a mirror here. I don't know how to do it like on the camera, so I'm just gonna try to I'll try to explain how I do it. I don't want it to look bad like last time, because last time I tried to film a makeup tutorial when I was sick, and also I did not like how my makeup looked that day, and I still filmed videos like in it, so it looks a little cray right now, but it will look good, trust. Okay, I'm just gonna show you when this is blended out. Y'all, I low-key had to restart on my left eye, but the next thing you want to do is, you see where the white isn't? Okay, I might have to touch this up. Okay, so you basically put the pink around the rest of your eye. I don't know how I'm gonna explain this clearly, so I'll just show you when it's finished. Okay, so this is what the placement should look like, and all I did was like rub it on my eye. So next thing you're gonna want to do is obviously, you know, blend it out a little bit here. Okay, something like this basically. And then you're gonna want to rub this on the mascara thing. It's like a fluffy brush. I don't know if it's the right brand I should be using, but hey, it works, I guess. So okay, so basically what you're gonna do, I'm trying to speed this up, I'm trying to make this as fast as possible. I only have 10 minutes on this recording, and I literally have even less time to get ready to go out with my family. So I'm gonna like, okay, I'm gonna try to blend. You see over this though? Yeah, you wanna make a nice little blend, basically blend over the eye. Oh my god, that's a lot. Wait, oh wait, no, that actually kinda eats actually. No, I take that back. Okay, and yeah, just blend over this area, blah blah blah, blend under this area of the eye, try to fill in the white, basically. Ooh, so, man, I'm feeling saucy today. Jesus. Okay, I think I packed on a lot though. It's like whenever I do a makeup tutorial, it's like, it usually goes wrong. I don't know why, actually, wait. Well, this is kind of good, and I'm running out of time, so I'm just not gonna film the other eye, so I'll just like film this when I'm finished. Okay, now I look like I have pink eye, and something I like to do is like I like to gently follow the shape of where my eye crease ends, and basically just make a little nice little wing here, basically. Yeah. Now that that part's over, you're gonna want to just grab a little Q-tip and run it across your lash line, and try to be a little gentle with it though, so that way you don't end up like crying your makeup off, because nobody wants that, and the whole point of doing this part is to avoid that. So you do this here, and then you grab your eyeliner. Wait, did I even I don't even think I showed the brands. Anyway, I got this from like Temu long ago. It came in a pack, and yeah, a while ago. So something you want to do, you're gonna want to just run this along your lash line. I'm not trying to mess up here. Oh, okay, this looks pretty good. I can't help but feel like I was forgetting something, but hey, who knows? Oh wait, I remember now. I use LA Colors eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude. I think that's what it's called. I dip this little brush into this pink highlight here, and I dust that crap off, and I just add this to the shape of my eyebrows around the top, and here. Am I doing this right? I must see how this looks in real life. Yeah, and then I'm gonna do the other side off camera, but then you basically just blend this out. You blend it out, and then it you just blend it out, and yeah, this looks nice. Yeah, I'm finished with that now, and yeah, it's like very subtle. So yeah, I'm trying to you basically line the lash line of your eye, basically, up to this part where the lash ends, if that makes any sense. And I'm doing this off camera. It's like I would show you. I would move the camera, but unfortunately, it took a bit to get the camera to actually stay still. So we're just gonna just gonna rock with that. And yeah, now that you got a finished waterline, you go above your lash line with your eye open. I'm gonna try to show this part. I find that if you do it with your eye open, it looks more. I can't talk and make sense of this part though. You basically see what the final product on your eye looks like. And yeah, I'm trying to outline this as much as possible though, so it can fit my natural eye shape. I'm just gonna try to finish this off camera. Oh yeah, you also blend this out. I'll show you after this side's done. Okay, we're finished on both sides, and I don't know if you can notice, but like I kind of messed up my own steps with closing my eye here when adding it. Anyway, time's running out on the recording, so basically what you do, you basically take your fingers and you gently rub the entire eye, basically, so that way your eyeliner spreads. Why is there a fly around here now? Like, there wasn't a fly this whole entire recording. Okay, I'm gently rubbing this among the lashes. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, and I'm gonna try to do this next part. Second to last part, mascara, and I use Maybelline in the shade Black is Black, which is different from the one that everybody else uses. Though I'm so special like that. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That was a joke. That was a joke. I'm being ironic. And pretty self-explanatory. You just do it like this. You know, you do it from the root of your eye. It's gonna mess up sometimes. But that's okay though, because you know, it just adds to the messy look that I like. So I'm gonna see that. Also, I do it on the bottom thing, so I'll show you that part. You just basically do this until you're completely to satisfaction. Okay, I'm gonna try to do this off camera. I'm sorry. It's like time's running out, and maybe I can do like a longer video on YouTube though, where there's a longer time. So yeah. Okay, so I finished that part, and here is the last part though. You basically grab any kind of black eyeshadow. This is a hand-me-down from my mom. You dip it in like a brush like this. That's what I use, at least. I ain't no makeup professional though. I just like doing makeup though, because I like the way it looks on me, and it's a nice form of self-expression. Oh, crap, I just dropped my mascara. Oh yeah, I finished my mascara. I think it looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, time's running out. I'm looking at the time running out. You basically, I hate when there's this little hair here. You basically add this to your waterline, like so, you know, in the same spot you applied your eyeliner, basically, and this helps it stay longer and look more solid in the bottom though, instead of just like droopy and blah 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 blah. I'm gonna finish this off camera. I don't have those ocean eyes, but I do have those ethereal eyes. These look pretty cool. Normally I would finish it with setting spray, but I don't have any on me at the moment, and I didn't use any last time in the video. Also, Lofi, my makeup usually looks better when I don't film it though. It usually looks better than this, but I think it looks pretty cool. See, it came out pretty cool. It goes with my hair, goes with my outfit, pretty swag. Look at my fit. Bam! This turned from a makeup tutorial to a fit check. Yeah, oh, wait, this kind of looks good when the light hits it. Okay, so that was the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any tips for the makeup though, because I'm no expert or something though, also I added too much of the eyeshadow stick, let me know. The videos are about to end, so yeah, I hope everybody has a great day and you enjoyed this video, and I'm trying to make more vlogs like this, so yeah, leave a like, leave a comment, share, repost, I don't know, follow, I don't know, maybe, perhaps. Okay, goodbye, bye, RXD.